How to redeem codes in Brawlhalla. The first things first, before you redeem a code, make sure that you're currently using or currently running the latest version of Brawlhalla. To do so, just go directly to your Google Play Store and make sure that your Brawlhalla is up to date. Now, next thing you do is, of course, access to your Brawlhalla and make sure that your Brawlhalla is connected to either to Google Play or any other options that you have linked your account with. Now, for you to be able to redeem the code, make sure that you have your code ready, and by here, go to Store. This is actually below the option that is saying Meet the Legends. So just tap Store, and in here you can find chest, legends, crossovers, skins, and any other purchases that you can do. It's free to redeem the code, just go directly to skins and the gear icon right here, which will take you out to settings. Just tap on that. It is the right side on filters. And here you can tap on redeem code. Now this is where you'll have to input your code for you to be able to redeem it. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can redeem a code in Brawlhalla.